Peace. It's 2024. It's time to reevaluate your friendships. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Ooh, y'all need to check out this hair. This hair is getting mad old for me. I've been wanting to talk about this topic, but like, I don't know. Like I told y'all, this channel is to help, you know, obviously show my life a little bit, but also it's to help the girlies and the girlies. This is a girl talk for my fellow girls in the chat, in this family, in the subscribers, in this YouTube platform. It's time to talk about friendship because what I'm seeing nowadays, I'm scared. People ain't friends the way they supposed to be friends. You know what I mean? What is going on? Why are friends separating? Like, don't get me wrong. If it's God's timing, it's God's timing. But you also gotta check yourself. Like, what are you doing? What is that person really doing? Like, what's going on with friends? Why are people weird? Why are people weird? Why are people weird? Why can't we love each other like you love yourself? Why can't we just love our neighbors like we love ourselves? I feel like if everybody loves each other the way they're supposed to be loved, it'll be a lot of peace in this world. But what we lack in society is love. We're gonna talk about good characteristics of friends. And I wrote them down on a piece of paper because I don't want to forget about nothing. But let's talk about friendship. For me, this is how you know if this is a friend or this is an acquaintance. Okay, because I feel like sometimes we are scared to hang out with acquaintances. Not everybody is your friend. People use friend too loosely, and I don't like that. Not everybody is your friend, but it's okay to have fun with acquaintances. It's okay to hang out with acquaintances. Like, I don't have a problem talking to acquaintances. Acquaintances are not complete strangers to me. It's just that we just aren't that close. You feel me? But when I call somebody a friend, I call somebody a friend. That is my man's. That is my bro. That is my... Like, I could close my eyes and they could direct me and I still feel like they won't stand me wrong. Like, that's how of a friend when I call somebody a friend. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like nowadays people like to just call everybody my friend. You just meet somebody, my friend. You just met them for like 2 weeks, my friend. Like, what do you mean that's your friend? That's your acquaintance. And it's okay. Like, it's not saying that you beefing with her because she's not your friend. It's just... we just not friends, but I respect you. You know what I'm saying? So let's talk about friends. Let's really sit here and drop down good quality of a friend, in my opinion. You could correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below on some characteristics that you feel like, you know, a friend needs to have. But for me, in my household and the people around me, a friend gotta be with you through it all, good and bad. And that's another thing. You gotta watch out for the people that only want to be with you when it's popping for you. Watch out for the people that only want to be with you when, you know, you got a new car, you got a new house, you're doing big things, you showing the internet. Please. Where was them when you was struggling, when you was grinding, when you was in your season of grinding and sowing seeds? Where was they at? They were far away watching you just grind until it's time for you to harvest. They're like, oh, we in here too. We're about to harvest as well. What? I'm gonna be talking to you guys like we on FaceTime. So it's gonna be a lot of slangs. A friend does not only come to you when good things are happening. A friend does not only support you when other people are supporting you. Hear me out. There's people that support you when you're not even popping up. There are people that only support you when they realize the congregation is supporting you. And that's just, Watch out for those people because they are not your friend. The moment a person loses all those glamorous things or loses the stuff that they were even there for, they are going to run like flies. That is not your friend. I'm here to tell you, that is not your friend. But a friend that really have your back when you're not in the room, especially when you're not in the room. When you're not in the room and people are talking about you and they're there listening and they want to run to you and be like, oh, guess what this person said about you? why do they even feel comfortable to say that much about me? If it's my friend and I'm in a room and somebody else is talking about my friend, I don't even let you finish your sentence, because it's like, you're not about to play with my mans. You're not about to play with her. You're not about to play with her, especially when she's not in this room, because technically me being in this room is also her being in this room. If a friend don't move like that with you, that is not your friend. If a friend is sitting there, their ears are open, listening to every single thing that person is saying bad about you, and not once did they open up their mouth, that is not your friend. This is a sign that that's not your friend. I'm telling you, because those type of people will always show themselves in the future. That's a red flag. Nobody should feel comfortable to talk about you to somebody else that's called your friend. Your friend should speak up for you when you're not in the room. And if they are not speaking up for you, but only telling you what the person said about you, but not even saying what they said about you to defend you in the room, that is not your friend. Look, you're gonna come back to this video, you're gonna be like, dang, goodness told me. A friend is somebody that speaks positivity into your life. They speak truth into you. I'm not saying that they don't tell you the truth about yourself, but it's always rooted and founded in love. You're venting to them, when you're opening up yourself, being vulnerable, whatever the case is, their response, it should be on a love foundation. It should not be, oh, they're trying to belittle you, oh, they're trying to gaslight you. Like, all those type of things, that should not be coming up when your friend is speaking to you, speaking into your life. Watch what your friends say when it's your turn, because they're supposed to speak positivity into you. I'm so passionate about this topic, y'all, so if I'm speaking a little too fast, that's probably why. But they're supposed to speak positivity into you, you guys. Like, they don't speak negative stuff into you. No, that can't be a friend. You're telling that's my friend and they want to speak negative stuff into my life? God forbid, no. Friends speak positivity towards you. They want to see you being lifted up. They want to make sure that your spirit is up. It's not weak. It's strong. They are encouraging you. They are like advising you with love. They're not bashing you, judging you. They're not doing none of that. They're not doing none of that. They are literally telling you the truth, but with love. A friend don't run her mouth about you. She don't run her mouth about you. And when I say this, I say, like, when you tell a friend, oh, this is between me and you, she really abide to your word. Like, nah, I don't care who it is, but if a friend tells me this is between me and them and this is a secret, I ain't talking. If your friend is telling you, hey, like, this is really a personal situation in my life and I don't want nobody to know about this, it stays between me and you, then keep it between you and that person. Do not go and start rambling and telling people about her business, his business. It's none of their business, because not everybody has good intentions when they hear things about your friend. You know, this is your friend, basically like your sister or your brother. So you don't go around telling people their business and what you heard, and you're giving power to somebody else to talk bad about your friend, about their situation that they confided you in. If a person that you have confided in about a situation and they go and tell somebody else and you found out from somebody else that they told your business, that is not your friend. I'm telling you this right now. If you have already confronted them and you know, you just see how they moving weird, and that's one of their traits, that is not your friend. That is, honestly, I would say an acquaintance. That is not your friend. So please don't be deceived. A friend keeps your word. You know, like, really, really, really cherish the relationship that y'all have. That wouldn't even go and tamper with it by going to somebody else to talk to them about your issue, your problems. No, that's not a friend. A friend checks up on you. A friend is constantly checking up on you, making sure you're good, really involving themselves in your life. Like, I'm not saying that they gotta talk to you every single day, because obviously we're grown. You know, we're grown, but one, you understand the communication style. So if it is the type of person that wants to be talked to every single day, y'all find a medium. Y'all find a middle ground. But overall, though, as a friend, your friend should check up on you all the time. Like, If they haven't heard from you for a minute, hey girl, what's up? I haven't heard from you for a minute. Are you good? Are you alive? Like, what's going on? If a friend don't check up on you, but only checks up on you when it's convenient for them, watch out. Or if a person only check up on you when it's beneficial to them, watch out. If a person is checking up on you, if a person is checking, it's like not checking up on you, but when they see you in person, they now want to like check up on you, but they don't check up on you behind closed doors when like you're not in public. Watch out. That's not your friend. Because a friend checks up on you. A friend involves themselves in your life. Like, you know, not just on those like milestone moments where they want to now try to like involve themselves, but talking about the moments where, let's say you're looking for an apartment. Let's say they know your dreams and aspirations. They know you want to be a content creator and they know you want to be consistent. And they're like double checking like, girl, why haven't you been on your stuff? Like, what's going on? Is everything okay? Like, I haven't seen you posted in so long. Is everything okay? Like, a friend that checks up on you, I'm telling you, that's a friend. A good friend really serves. You know, and I really want to touch on that a little bit. Like, a friend that serves, that's like selfless, that want to just involve themselves to really see you grow, see you really win. Vice versa, you're doing the same thing back. You know, it's not one-sided here, but a good friend is somebody that really involves themselves in your life. Like, they really involve. It's not just you have to ask them, but they hear the problems and they try to figure out like how they can assist and how they can help and serve you. That's a good friend. When a person, I keep saying friend, when a person hears your problems and they do not try to like kind of make the situation a little better, or try, like, not everyone's capable of doing that, but like just a little try, like a thoughtfulness of even checking in on the situation that y'all last talked about. You know, they didn't just leave you hanging and dry after you confided on them. If a person just listening to your tea and not really like inserting themselves or trying to make things better, but just listening, you already know what I'm about to say. That's not your friend. That is not your friend. That's an acquaintance. Know the difference between the acquaintance and the friend, because that is not your friend. Actions speak louder than words. It's not just that's my friend, but it's like my actions, my service towards this person is also emulating friendship. The same way that you want to date your man is the same way I feel like you should be dating your friends. Don't now start doing the right things when it comes to your man, but then you're neglecting your friends. Like, you need to actually nurture your friendships. And that's a different topic, because I just went ahead and it's okay. And it's okay to have two friends or one friend. You don't need a group of people. Like, if you have one friend, I'm telling you, that's enough. You got one friend, you got God, you got one friend. God is all you need. If you got one friend, God sends you one friend, that's all you need. You don't need a group of people that is behind your back. I feel like sometimes social media had made it seem like you need 3 group of people behind you, 5 group of people behind you, millions of people, group of people behind you for you to feel like you have friends. But no, one person that is loyal, I'd rather have a loyal friend than friends that ain't loyal to me, or friends that, like, you know, act weird or move a type of way. I'd rather have one loyal person, one friend that's gonna tell me how it is and keep it a being with me and be and show love and show up for me and all that other stuff, right? Then have a group of people that don't even do one of those things and they call themselves my friends. Please. It's 2024. It's time to reevaluate your friendships. Well, that's the end of the video. I wish I could go a little bit more deeper. Just let me know if this is the type of videos y'all like. Some friendship videos, we could really talk about it really deep. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope somebody took at least one thing from this video to decipher between an acquaintance and a friend. A good friend, a bad friend. I hope this enlightens somebody. I hope we can talk about it in our comments. Let me know what is a good friend and a bad friend to you. Let's talk about it. Let's help one another. That's what this channel is for. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!